education program. So let us begin the event with light lamping. So let's begin with the introductions of the guest. Mrs. Rupini, Regional Manager from Credo Early Childhood Solutions. Mrs. Jayashri, Founder Director, Shala Preschool. Our founder, Mr. Ajay Kumar, has completed MBA in International Business and has completed in Electronics and Engineering and is currently working as a Senior Data Analyst at iCrewa Data Analyst Company. It is always thriving in imparting our tradition and culture to the next generation. He is a Sanskrit scholar as well, and he has conducted many exams with Sanskrit and Hindi examinations too. Our founder director, Srimati Jayashri Ajay Kumar, holds MSc in Electronics and has completed B.Ed from Bangalore University. She has been in the education field for more than 12 years and has taught the students from all age groups, from first standard to degree. She has worked at B&M College of Engineering as a lecturer, a vice principal at GRPU College, as a teacher at Narayana E-Techno School and SSM Public School as well. With vast exposure of all age groups of kids, knowing the importance of early education, she was looking for a good school for her child. When the schools appeared as a business, that's when the couple decided to start a new school, that is Shala Preschool, to impart the real education, which can give our traditional values along with the modern education, not only to their child, but for every kid who is admitted to Shala. So kindly welcome the chief guest, dear parents. So to begin with, about Shala. So I would request Jayashri ma'am to take over.
So good morning, mom and dad. First thing is, I'm really very thankful to you all for trusting us and admitting your child to Shala. So thank you all, and I'm very very sure that you will be very very happy when you leave us and go. So starting with that note, when we thought of joining my kid to school, because I always feel education should be a source of inspiration and it should not be a bundle of information, as Vivekananda has told. I always felt a need that any institution for that matter should be very passionate in giving education to the children. But it so happened that when I went for looking, just like how you all came to our school, when I went for so many schools, I couldn't see that passion in those educators. It was just a mere business for many of them, and everything was very, very artificial, I felt. So that's when I decided this is not the right way to be educating kids, that 2 kids below 6 years, because that is the age when everything gets structured in the mind of a kid. So it's like whenever we are programming, whenever we are developing a system, that is when we feed as many things as possible. So in order to make the child independent in future, these 6 years, the primary 6 years, will be very, very, very important. And as I've interacted with all the age group kids, right from first standard to degree, only thing I understood was everything was pointing down to this primary age, wherein if a child is not confident, that is because the child was not given proper attention in the early childhood. If the child was not able to study well, was not able to understand concepts well, that was because of an effect wherein we already tried to bump in some knowledge into the child's mind, not leaving it to explore. So that is what was the problem which I understood. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದಾಗದು ನನಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I wanted her to explore things, understand things by herself. That's when we thought, okay, maybe we should be doing this anta. So then when I went ahead and looked on, I did find Credo, and I felt this that is very very good system. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, wherein the kid will learn itself. Whatever the kid experiments, that is what self-learning at the end health. That happens at Credo. So that method was too good. But unfortunately, when I looked for a Credo school in and around this part of Bangalore, I didn't find any one of them. And for everything, it's either Rajarajeshwari Nagar or maybe Electronic City on IT Hub. That is where lot of Credo schools were there, but not here. Then we thought, okay, maybe this is not the way of ಏನಿಗಿಂತ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು we got that question, and then we thought, okay, let us start a school for ourselves anta. That time I had my friend who is not with me now, so she was a Montessorian as well. So namibbardu idea ittu that both of us can get along and start a school wherein I will look after the administration, she would look after the academic anta. But maybe I don't know whether it is a good fortune or a bad fortune. She had to leave us because her husband got placed abroad. So she left in the very beginning itself. Not even we started in March, she left us in July. So that was the thing. From since then, I have been into the schooling, whatever. But one thing what I've really understood and appreciated is ಈ 6 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 6 years the potential, tremendous potential ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ we can, I'm sure I've spoken to many of you, at least 22 languages ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ below 6 years. That is when their grasping capacity is maximum. So what we try to do here at Shala is try to expose them to as many things as possible, may it be language ಅಥವಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್. ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಹಿಂದಿ. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ want my teachers to talk to them in their mother tongue. So we have teachers who speak Telugu, we have people who speak Marathi, we have teachers who speak Hindi. All of them, I ask them to speak. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. They might not talk back to us, they might not respond in the same language, but they'll definitely understand. That's what is my observation. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟೆವರ್ ಏನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೋ, ವಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ವಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಟ್ ಶಾಲಾ. So and to talk about vision and mission, they are both the same, to give good quality education. And here I've already told all these things to you when I have met you personally. But the thing is, illinda horagogo prati one magunu, I want the child to be an all-rounder. It's not just academics, it's not just one part of it. Anything you take, the child should be one complete one product agi horagogbeku, wherein the child should be knowing sports, the child should be knowing curriculars, the child should be knowing co-curriculars as well. So confident outcome agi horagogbeku. That is what is the intention, and that is what we keep on working on always. So to inculcate all that, we have come out with a system wherein nama curriculum na I have adopted from Credo. So I request Rupini to take over and explain you more. She's the regional manager of Bangalore from Credo. So she's handling our account. So thank you, Rupini, so much. She's given us tremendous support. So I give my chance to Rupini to speak about Credo.
First of all, I would like to thank Jayashree ma'am for giving me this opportunity, and thank you one and all who've come here today on your weekend, spending some time for your child to understand what your child is going to get in this school. My name is Rupini, and I'm from Credo. I work as a regional manager in Bangalore. I handle more than 150 schools across Bangalore. And to talk about Credo is an education firm there for last 30 years. We've been partnered with more than 3,000 schools across India, and we have been very successful in driving learning outcomes. I can say 50% more than any other education firm comparatively, because of the material usage and the way of the methodology that we use. I'm really proud to be part of Credo for that reason, that we have impacted more than 3 lakh students across India. And I happened to talk to Jayashree ma'am a year ago. At that time she had told me the reason why she started school, and I'm very honored to be part of this particular school especially, is because she was, as she told, she was searching for good education across these places and for her child, and she couldn't find the right one. So then is when she did a lot of research and found out that Credo is the right one, and she wanted to open a school. Apart from that, the unknown fact that you all should know is, if you have inquired in any other schools, I would like to understand if you have inquired in any other schools, what is the school timings? Usually in a preschool. 10:30 to 1, 3 hours. Most of the preschools are 3 hours. What's the timings here? 9:30 to 1:30. Why do you think there is an extra 1 hour provided? Yes. So most of the schools, what they do is they do provide education to children. Extracurricular activities are also included within that 3 hours. But she dedicatedly wants to provide that 3 hours for children on education, and rest of the time she wants to provide in extracurricular activities, knowing about our culture, which is missing in most of us also. We have never been taught about our Sanatana Dharma, or we have never been taught about our culture, how it has to be followed. And drama classes. There is a holistic development a child needs at this age, but just not education. That's the only reason why she is having extra 1 hour in the school. Thank you so much for this, ma'am. Okay. I have a question for all of you. Why is that you joined your child to preschool? What was your thought flow when you joined your child to the preschool?
Learn from activities.
Okay.
He'll get to a daily routine and he'll learn some mathematics.
Right. Okay, routine. You wanted to give activity-based learning. Okay. Any other reasons from parents behind? Why did you join your child to the preschool? Why did you get a thought of joining to a big school?
Good foundation.
Good foundation. Is preschool education really important for children?
Yes.
Why?
This is the base where they can learn.
Yes, okay. The foundation should be set right? Right. So, did you all know that 0 to 5 years is the time when 80% of the brain development happens to the child? Right? So during this time, whatever you inculcate in child will remain in their lifelong. Like once Bill Gates had told that the 0 to 5 years of life, what the child experiences, will be there with the child for 80 years. That's how the child's future is decided. The 0 to 5 years is what the future of the child is decided on. Okay. So at this age, how you want your child to think, how you want your child to solve problems, how you want your child to build their character, everything describes this 0 to 5 years, and it is very, very crucial for your child. How you want your child to learn new concepts, how you build curiosity in child, all these things are very new to the child, and that is something that you have to expose your child to. That is going to help the child for the next 80 years. And as ma'am told, children will be able to learn 22 languages, right? Yes, they have the ability to absorb as much information as possible, and their mind is so open. You might have also come across children asking you questions, what is this? Because they're new to the world, they want to know many things, they're very curious, right? So this is the age where you can implement so many things in your child. Okay. So if I have to talk about the way of education that's provided in Shala, it's activity-based learning. Okay. I want to give one example for you all. Who all knows to ride a cycle? Please raise your hand. When did you learn cycling?
5, 6, 7.
Within that 7 years, 8 years range, right? Let's say you will not ride cycle for next 20 years, and if I give you a cycle, will you be able to ride?
Yeah.
Why? You learned very long back ago, right? Okay, how many of you remember World War I dates? So why you don't remember that?
It is not interesting.
It's not interesting. Why?
We never took the World War very serious.
There were many wars happening around us.
I
So
have-
we didn't wanted one more.
And it happened before us. Before we were born.
We got reopened.
That's something that we need to witness visually, right?
We did experience it.
Yes. So here the education system is in such a way where we experience. So the cycling, what we did, we experienced it. We fell, we did a lot of experiments, we did so many mistakes, right? Anything that we do, even in your companies also when you're working, you do a lot of mistakes initially when you're learning something new, and it is very difficult for you at the initial stage. But until you learn, it is definitely challenging for everyone, but you do make mistakes, you don't give up, right? So children have that ability to not give up when something is given to them and if it is interesting. It has to be interesting for the children. So what is one thing children like to do?
They like to repeat
They like to repeat, okay?
whatever we are doing.
Okay, they like to imitate.
Imitate.
Okay, anything else? You told play, ma'am. What else? What else your children like? Discover?
Explore.
Curiosity? Okay. So, what if I tell everything the child learns here is only through play? How interesting would the child find it? Right? So, here we have experiential learning. We allow the child to do as many mistakes as possible when they are doing the experiments with the materials that we have. And then they correct their own mistakes and they understand this is the right way. Do we learn anything without making mistakes? And that experience children should get, no? And by this, what are the advantages the children would get? Is they become lifelong learners, they understand how to solve problems, their cognitive development is built, their analytical skills are built, all these are built at this level only. Because of this, the child will be able to learn many things at a very short duration. So parents, who all know swimming here? You know, sir? Okay. Who else? Okay. Parents who all doesn't know swimming, if I ask you to watch YouTube and learn swimming, will you be able to do? At least will you be able to write down the steps by only watching? At least by watch. I'll give you month's time. You watch how many hour times you want, and I want you to just write the steps of swimming.
Experience only we can learn.
If a coach is there to train you on swimming and you go there, you get inside the swimming pool and then you swim, how many days does it take? Hardly a week's time to learn swimming? At least the basic level. Not the pro level, at least the basic level to float and to swim, right? Let's say you learned that and after 1 month I ask you to write the steps. Will you be able to do it? After 1 year you will be able to do it? After 10 years will you be able to do it? Right? That has registered in your mind, that has not gone out of your mind, right? So that is a way of education children should be exposed to. That's how the children should be learned, taught. So here we teach many things. By end of UKG, the child will be able to do multiplication. At a very small duration, the child will get exposed to many things to learn. These are the basics that we are setting to the child. I want to understand, what is the difference between preschool and a bigger school? What difference do you find? Is preschool better or a bigger school is better? Why? Individual attention, okay.
Not only stick on to the books now, because by activity they will be learning.
Activity based learning, okay. Practical learning, sir, okay. Any other reasons why preschool is important than home environment? Yes, you all gave the answers right. Definitely there is a home kind of an environment. Individualized attention will be built. Activity based learning will be provided. What the child needs at this age is something that the child will be getting. When did we all learn ascending descending order? Second only, yeah, even I remember my teacher hitting me during because I was only doing right, left, equal. I didn't know the value of numbers then. Though it was taught to me, I didn't know the value of numbers. Did we all know? I want to understand from you. Did you understand the concept of Ascending, descending, though it was taught in 2nd grade.
You can give it to some of our helpers if it's comfortable, they take care of it.
Did we understand the concept of ascending, descending? To an extent? Value of numbers? Okay. The same thing, that was 8 years. 5 years prior only your child will be able to do. At the age of 3, nursery level, the child will be able to do ascending and descending order. The child knows what is before number, after number. Why do you think the child is able to do this? Is only because the child knows the value of that number. Quantity. Yeah, the child would be shown, we all were taught symbols. 2 is like this, 3 is like this. We didn't know what the quantity of that number is. Even if we show a doll, the child will be able to tell this is a doll. But the child doesn't know what is the value or what is the quantity, measurements, nothing the child would know. So here we will expose the child to the quantities, and that is when the child will be able to understand the concepts quickly. Okay? Why not APS schools and this school is, one is individualized attention, another one is there will be lot of rote learning happening. If you see, we all have been exposed to rote learning, right? We have been exposed to writing on the board, copy the same thing on the board, repeat 100 times and then we learn. And that will not remain in our brain after 2-3 months. After summer holidays, everything is gone, again start again. Right? So that kind of concept, do you all want to expose your child to that kind of concepts? So you have brought the child to the right place, to the Shala preschool, where they provide a learning where the child will remember it for a longer period of time and implement them in higher studies also. The basics are definitely set right. And the learning outcomes in Shala preschool are much ahead than any other school, is because I'm handling, as I told, 150 schools across Bangalore. This is one school where teachers are very passionate. Very, very passionate to an extent where they go an extra mile. They literally feel bad. When I speak to them personally, they literally feel bad. Oh God, I'm not able to teach this thing to the child. I have to do something. They find out ways to teach something to the children here. So teachers are definitely passionate. I would like you all to give a round of applause to the dedicated teachers. I've seen personally, I've met them personally, I've been working with them for the last 1.5 years, and they feel, I could say that mother and child attachment towards the children. That's the level of attachment they have towards the children, and that's how they teach children, and that's how Shala is different from any other school across in this area or in any other cities I go, right? In Bangalore, any other schools I go with. Shala is totally different because of the passion that they hold, and this kind of passion I can see in rural areas. In urban, they come only for money, but here teachers are not like that. They don't just come for money. They here come to do something to the children, to make some changes in children's life. And that is the reason why Credo is implemented really well in this school. I also would like to add on here what your child will be learning in each level. By end of nursery in mathematics, the child will be able to read from 1 to 20, also write the numbers. The child knows before number, after number. And by end of LKG, the child will be introduced to additions. And by end of UKG, the child will be able to do multiplications also. And language, we would be introducing phonics. We recommend you please do not teach phonics at home or do not teach alphabets at home, because there is a different methodology taught here. It is the easiest way. When you start teaching something to your children in a wrong way, they get confused between both. So rather allow the teachers to teach, and they will give you some tips on how to teach at home and provide some practice. So accordingly you can go about teaching them at home. And in English, nursery level, the child will be introduced to 3-letter words. The child will be able to read consonant, vowel, consonant words. That's called CVC words. we all knew consonants and vowels, no? A, E, I, O, U is vowels and consonants. So consonant, vowel, consonant, 3-letter words. Example like cat, bat, such words the child will be able to read at nursery level. In LKG, the child will be able to read the simple sentences using the sight words. When I say sight words are like is, as, the, all these are called sight words. The child will be able to read using these sight words. The child will be able to read simple sentences in language, and in UKG level the child will be able to read newspaper with you. So and we also have 2 other subjects, environmental science and sensorial. This is to develop the sensorial skills in child, like colors. There are some sound bars at school that enhance their different kind to respond to different kind of sounds. Each and every sensorial organs will be enhanced using the sensorial materials, like the measurements, big, small, all these things will be taught through sensorial. And we also have EVS, a topic where the child also have to know about what is happening around them. And other than that, ma'am has also introduced culture, drama, music, dance, all these things as additional curricular activities in this school. Okay. Do you all have any doubts with regards to the curriculum? I would like to add on one last point here. When you go to a restaurant, what is one thing that you would look out there?
Menu card, what are the
Food, basically food, and if it is tasty or no, if it is hygienic or no, right? So in any education, in any school for that matter, they will attract you with so many things, infrastructure, ball pool, or any play activities, all those things. But one thing that you need to look at in any school you go for is education. What kind of education is my child exposed to? Don't look at the infrastructure. Even when the child goes to the higher classes, understand what kind of teachers are there in the school, what kind of education that they are giving in school. That will help you to make a informed decision whether my child should go into that school or no. Let's say you go to a restaurant, food is not at all good, ambience, everything is good. What is the point in going to that restaurant? Will you all go? Right? So school also, first thing please look at is education. Is this school providing a valuable education that my child needs at this age, and join your child accordingly. Okay? Any doubts with regards to curriculum?
That will come in
Okay. Alright. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Rupini ma'am, for conducting the session very interactively. We would appreciate if more parents would be a part of this interaction. However, that's fine. Moving on to the next slide, we have Team Shala, wherein we'll introduce you, all the teachers who will be handling the subjects for your children. Can I request all the teachers to please assemble near the dais? So this is Team Shala. First is Jyoti, she's the senior teaching staff. She'll be handling L1 lab and math for all the classes. Jyoti. The second is Nandini, she's also the senior staff. She'll handle L0, that is the playgroup kids, and also she'll handle vocabulary for the playgroup kids. The next is Shweta. Shweta is not with us today. She couldn't join us. She'll handle L2 lab and also English for L1. Next is Jalaja. She handles Kannada, Hindi for all classes. Ramya, she'll handle L3 lab, L1 and L2 EVS. She is the EVS teacher. Manjula, she handles L0, pre-writing and EVS for L0 kids. So basically Nandini and Manjula, they are for L0. They two are the teachers for L0. And I am Kushma, most of you might not know me. I handle English for L2 and L3. And I am admin also. So thank you teachers, thank you for coming. So coming to the school timings, we start at 9:30 a.m. and 9:35 is exactly when the assembly begins. So 9:45 exactly the classroom starts. We request you to drop the kid at the drop time, because before 9:30 the school might not be open. In case if it's open also, we'll be in the cleaning phase. So kindly drop the kids at 9:30. Alright, so break time starts from 11:05 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. And in case if we find the child is unwell, or the child is not okay for the day, we might not encourage the child to come inside the premises, considering that other kids might be affected. Whatever happens with a child of yours, that might be infectious to the other children as well. So considering that, if we feel that kid is unwell, we'll directly deny entrance of the kid into the premises. Alright? So the subjects, as Rupini ma'am discussed with you, we have majorly 6 subjects. That is English, Math, EVS, Sensorial, followed by 2 languages, Hindi and Kannada. So these are the set of books, and the books list is being produced on the board outside. You can have a list of the books we provide for all the categories, that is L0 to L3. We have displayed the list, you can check it out. Alright? So before the slide, ನಾನು ಶಾಲಾ ಜೊತೆ past 1 year ಇಂದ I've been connected with Shala. So Shala is such an integrated part of my life. So what is Shala ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ I have written few lines regarding Shala, which I would dedicate it to Team Shala, definitely. So ಇದುವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ, ತೊಡಿಸಲೇ ಹೂವಿನ ಮಾಲ, ಮಗುವ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಚಂಚಲ, ಇರುವುದು ಸದಾ ಗೊಂದಲ. ಶಾಲಾ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಸುಫಲ, ಜಯ ಅಜಯರ ದೃಢ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಸಫಲ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಸದಾ ಬೆಂಬಲ, ಈ ಶಾಲಾ ಸದಾ ಕುಶಲ, ಈ ಶಾಲಾ ಸದಾ ಕುಶಲ. Thank you ma'am, thank you for being backbone to all of us. You are our support system. Without your efforts we would not be here today. Thank you so very much. Over to you.
First of all, thank you, Kushma. She'll always surprise like this, which was not in the... Anyway, but I'm very happy. One thing is, probably Hiltarala, God will always favor those who are real and who try to do good anta. Adhe tara, any staff who is there, they are like, ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಈವನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ there are many other things. It's not just giving one maguge ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it is not just one book ತಗೊಂಬಂದೆ, one curriculum ತಗೊಂಬಂದೆ, one teacher ನ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿ. That's it not. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. There are many other things wherein we need to look after the government rules ಎಲ್ಲ abide ಆಗಬೇಕು. We need to get the permissions. Many messes around. So ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ sometimes I'll only feel low. Why did I even start the school? I could have been doing something else fruitful ಅಂತ. But that is the time when they all come, ma'am, we will do. Why do you lose your josh and ಥರ. So they've been really very very supportive right from day one. So we started with 1 employee, then we have 11 people just for 40 kids. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ 40 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ 11 ಜನ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 9:30 to 2 o'clock till the child leaves, all the children leave, everybody will be having an eye on every child. So that is what I want the institution to be, because I am a mother myself. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗುನ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ obviously I'll have that tension as to what will be happening with my child. That is very true. ನನಗೇನಂದ್ರೆ that security I need. That's the reason we have made this setup. So coming to co-curricular activities, I am a musician myself, Carnatic vocalist. So what I've understood throughout my journey is, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನನ್ನ education and my singing has always been a alternate path. So I keep switching between this and that and this. But the advantage of me being a musician is it has given me tremendous confidence to face people, face stage. So because of that, I am able to face life also in the same way. So any co-curricular activity other than what you ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕೋ-ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ವಾಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್.
So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ what we are doing here is we never know before 7 years we never know what the child might be interested in, but ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we'll try to expose them to as many things as possible. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಡಾನ್ಸ್, ಡ್ರಾಮಾ, 3 ವೆರಿ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸನಾತನ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಂಗೀತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, ನಾಟ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅಭಿನಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವೈ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವೀಕ್ one class of all these activities will be there. There will be 1 hour of drama, 1 hour of dance, 1 of music, and apart from that we will be teaching them our folklore games like ivaga aluguli mane agirbodu, chauka bara agirbodu. So many houses have lost it, correct? We can't even find that. Nange ಏನಂದ್ರೆ our kids should be rooted. They have to be rooted. ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ನ ನಾವೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ who else can give it? So that is my intention. So we try to introduce all those games to them. I am actually planning to ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲಗೋರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ನನಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ we don't have that setup. So we are trying somehow, maybe next year we'll try what best can be done. But I want to make them do. ಮರ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಲ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ when I went to shopping on toy store I found one rope wherein they can climb. So next time when you come you can find that rope doing here. See, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ, ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮರ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಡೂ. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಜಾಯ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಲೈಫ್. So this is what is our intention. So our intention and we are introducing dance, drama, music as a part of the curriculum only. I don't want to call it as a co-curricular thing because ಇಲ್ಲಿ as I already told ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ. I am trying to develop a personality here. I'm not trying to develop a educated child here. There is a difference. You may be very educated, but if you don't have a personality, if you don't have a vibrant personality, it's a waste. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ when you came to us, I could make out from each one of you that you possessed a personality. And the mere fact you have chosen Shala shows that you all have that personality. Those who have never come to us, I need not have to tell. See, that is the reason ನಮಗೆ we don't try for admissions. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Whoever chooses us, we are happy with it. Because we want some people who can understand us. Try understanding what we are trying to do and trust. That's all is our expectation from you. So other than that, we are introducing mythological stories. That's also will be a part of this one. So every day 40 minutes class, we have written half an hour, but 40 minutes class will be a dedicated time slot to Shala. So usually it will be the last period most of the times. Andre ivaga up to what time? Up to 1:30 will be ನಮ್ಮ regular curriculum. After 1:30 will be our Shala time. That's how. But L0 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ we have preponed it. So like by 12:45 Shala time start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ L0 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. That's how it is. We'll be producing the timetable as well. Creole we will announce once everything is set. Next. Okay. This is one surprise thing I wanted to give you all, which we finalized just last week. Just last week I was talking to one of my classmates who's a doctor. So she is actually a government doctor and she's involved in she's acts as a consultant for many government institutions and a doctor medicine related institutions. She's a consultant and she's an advisor, that's the right word. So when I was talking to her, she told me that she's involved in an organization wherein they will do the screening of the child. And then what happens, this age, like the pre-primary, what do we say, 6 years kelagiro age, it's very 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 important and major one magudu life ಆ 6 years ಒಳಗಿರತ್ತೆ. And they have come across many instances wherein if a child has a problem and ಅದು 8 years ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ that is most likely non solvable ಅಂತ. Okay, but if a problem is identified before 8 years, any health problem, need not be physical health, mental health as well, any such problem, if it is recognized, identified before 8 years and addressed the right way, then it can be solved. That is a scientific observation they have made. And she said that she is a part of such a organization wherein they will come and do the screening of a child. They'll do a proper 100% health checkup. They'll run a checkup of the kid, including the mental wellness, the behavioral analysis, why the child is not able to talk, why the child's learning is like that. Including that, they're going to do a screening. And they're going to give us as a report. Ivan namge henge blood report alla baratalla ade tara report baratte, wherein we can see what our child is lacking, what is very good in our child. Then I felt this is a very, very good thing for us as parents to know. It is obviously going on a costly end from the school side, but it is okay. I've already given a commitment that I'm not going to take you 1 rupee extra beyond the fees. But so this time we decided we'll take this extra step. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are partnering healthy kid services ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು it's a service. We are partnering with them actually. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they will be conducting 2 screening sessions of the child. Andre ಒಂದು now andre as soon as the school starts, probably in June I think we're planning to schedule once the child settles. So we'll have a screening of the child, all the children. Okay. Our screening admele report baratte. We will give you that report. Then again at the end of the year there will be one more set of screening done, wherein we'll give you another set of report. Now idralli that will also give you the cognitive skill development ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಗುದು ಅಂತ. So cognitive skill development is something which you can't do at home, which should only happen at school through Credo materials. So I thought it will be a very good demonstration as to how your child has progressed medically. I mean, see, we always need proof, alva. I mean, it is good. So that is what I thought is a very good thing. So healthy kid services anta. Actually, she was supposed to come, my friend. I don't know, she's stuck ante. We are expecting her. She might be here anytime. Once she comes, she'll give you a better idea of what is actually happening. But we are going to have the screening session. So one in the beginning of the academic year. The other one will be at the end of the academic year. And by suppose ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಗುಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆದರೆ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇವಾಗ ಓರಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಷನ್, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೋ ಬೋನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಡೀಪ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಏನು ಆಗದ್ ಬೇಡ, ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್. ಶೀಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. So she is Maheshwari, she is my classmate. So I was just explaining about, So you're good to go? Or?
So I will not make it monotonous. Let's have an interactive session. I am Dr. Maheshwari, public health background, and we have this healthy kid product. This was born out of the necessity of my own. That's how we have developed this. How many of you have a child who is 8-9 years now? No, all of them have first child only going to Shala school. No,
2 children are there, but one of the child is here.
No, I'm asking elder children. Okay, let's think all of them have 3, 4, 5 years old child only. How many of you have tracked their health status routinely, except vaccination? Vaccination matra time hakstive, like
over by 3 years.
No, 6 years.
Okay. Oh, I have one more.
Yeah. So 6, 9, 14, private also does 11, 12, everything. Government ends at 2 years. So how many of you know, do they have developmental delays in specific parts? Like for example, ಮಗುಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿ ನ ಡಿ ತರ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲು, ಆಮೇಲಿಂದನೂ ಆ ಮಗು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್? Have you analyzed those specific things? No. After some time, 9 years ಆಗೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ 2 years vaccination status ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದೊಂಥರ ಹಳೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So this is a platform that we have built out of my own necessity for my own child. She's there to have. This will be a software platform you can download on your mobile application. We will do 2 screenings for the children, which will be holistic, not only physical, mental, learning disabilities through games. So we've developed games with St. John's Medical College and AIMS doctors na kuda nam panel alli itkondidivi. All of them are hopefully my friends. So we've developed games where they can play around and we will assess the child's overall development. And the best part about this is this report will not be given to my friend. It will be given to you because that is your data, it is your child's data. It's up to you, you want to share it to her, you can share it to her. If you don't want to share it to her, you cannot share it to her because this is the right of the parent, that's why. And after the report, we will not tell you, I am not marketing for any pediatrician here, I am not marketing for any hospital here. It's up to you. I will just say recommendation, these are this. You may have to meet a child psychologist or you may have to meet a pediatrician or you may have to meet XYZ person. It is left to you whom you trust. Whom in your family you can go and show that report. But I would prefer have this application lifelong. You can upload any document of the child, health related document into the same platform. So all those papers if you lose also, this login will be your mobile number only. So mobile number I think nobody forgets these days. So with that mobile number you can have the data lifelong. And as the child progresses, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. By the time child reaches 25, 30, 35, the child will thank you because childಗೆ pre-hand ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, am I probable to develop diabetes? So should I improve my fitness? Am I in a high risk status to develop hypertension? Or am I high risk for developing some other chronic disorder? So pre-hand ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ you and your child can take action 10 to 20 years before the onset and maybe delayed for next 30 years. So if your child or anybody who's going to get diabetes at 45 and if the system with AI algorithms it will detect and say you're raising body weight, adolescent bandaga they will not be able to do much of physical work, lot of 10th standard exam, 12th standard exam. That is the way India is losing lot of health. Most Indian children by adolescent they are at the risk of diabetes because they have no exposure to sunlight, they have no exposure to physical activity, they do nothing by 11 to 13 years and 16 to 17 years they gain lot of weight and that cycle sets in. So maybe we will give an alarm check at your WhatsApp to your in the platform itself. This physical activity what the child is doing is not enough. Start doing something. And after 18 years you can give the same login to the child and child can continue whatever medical checkup he or she is going to have it in her lifelong, can record it the same thing. And this data will be your asset, not our asset.
The school will not have any of this data.
It's up to you if you want to share the data to her. I will preferably give her data which she has to submit to government in future. Like out of 30 children, 25 are anemic, 10 have development. Who that 10 is she won't. We will only give a mass screening data to her. Any questions related to it, I'll be happy to take it. Screening is done in 3 ways, ma'am. One, we'll come physically and we'll place a doctor. One team of paramedics and doctors. That routine checkup, height, weight, everything. And luckily we have developed so many non-invasive tests like this hemoglobin, glucose and all. No, we don't do invasive. All of them are FDA approved, so we are going to non-invasive. Through infrared rays, we just keep a light, like phone light tara one light irutte, just pass that and that. And for mental development, the same application has some games which the child has to play. So 10 seconds, 10 minutes, 5 minutes at the slot ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, they have to play. And that AI algorithm will pick up ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಏಜ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ವಿ ಮೈಟ್ ಸೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಿಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ರಹೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. And that we will do once a year or twice a year. And that login will be given to parent. They can continue and you can show this report to your pediatricians also. If that school has given this one, this is the report you want to comprehend with your own pediatrician, we are good to go with it. We are not forcing you to go to any known pediatrician of us. We won't recommend it.
If you have a panel of doctors,
Yes.
they will suggest. Like if you approach them,
Yes.
they will lead you to the right person.
Like if somebody
But they
wants
don't
specifically
promote that person.
linguistically ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆ ಥರದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಲಿಂಗ್ವಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ support, we will provide. But We are not promoting anything.
I mean, not provide, they will recommend.
Ashte.
That should be a right word.
It's up to you to choose, or you can choose anybody who is much more better or known to you. Usually, as parents, we would prefer somebody known to us for our children. Like me, how much ever known I am, I'm still going to the same pediatrician where she was born. That's two reasons, because one, they will have the data. And two, she is also very comfortable and I am also very comfortable. Another. The data which you going to save for lifelong, it's going to be an asset for them.
Ma'am, the app that you are providing, is it having any additional charges for lifelong?
As of now, we are not keeping, ma'am. Anybody who is enrolling with us, we are giving free of cost to their parents.
But the package is,
Ah.
it costs, and the school is bearing for this year.
So my question is, I'll be in Shala for the next 4 years. After 4 years, I go
Yeah,
out.
what if they go to some other job, they join some other school?
That login will be parent-based login.
Okay, so at that time I don't
They
have to pay.
have to incur some thing, no?
As of now, initially, since this is a 5-year-old one, so anybody who is enrolling with us, we are giving the parent login free of cost for lifetime. So if you, that's what I said.
That is something which I didn't know. Yeah.
So after the school, they might, definitely after preschool, they'll go to some bigger school. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ, if they want to record it, they can record it. For example, after some 8 years, the child for some reason gets dengue ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. That detail, like blood investigation, everything, they can upload in the platform and keep it.
But they are with Kumarans.
We are with 80 schools in Bangalore as of now.
I saw Kumarans in the...
Kumarans, NPS,
Yeah.
DPS. We are with 80
So if
schools
you-
in Bangalore.
Yeah, if you get into any of those schools, anyway, this...
The same application will be continued. Any questions, I'm happy to take.
Maybe we'll give them some time to think. But thank you.
Thank you so much, Maheshwari. So that's about the health thing. I'm really very excited for this part because it just last week this conversation strike, and I thought maybe we should be including this in our school, and I think this will benefit. Do you agree with me? Yes, no? Okay. So apart from this, as Kushma already told, we are giving these many books. Please don't think that these are heavy. This is what is very, very essential. Okay.
School child.
Okay. Next. So coming to homework, this is something as we proceed, you will come with complaints. So adanna munchene guess ಮಾಡಿ I am presenting to you. So first thing is, we will be giving 3 homeworks which is mandatory. Mandatory ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. One is for math, one is for English, which is our prime area of focus. We need the child to be doing it. So ಅದೆರಡು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, no matter what. Apart from that, we have other languages, and Kannada ಇದೆ, Hindi ಇದೆ, EVS ಇದೆ. So all that, ಆ ಮೂರು like on the rotation basis. So Monday Kannada, Tuesday Hindi, Thursday EVS, like that, maybe like that our rotational ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. But every day you will have maths and English as a homework. But I don't insist, ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't be very harsh on the child as to homework ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು. Don't compel the child to do it, but don't leave it also. If you leave it, that is gone, that's all. Okay, and one more what we have seen is ಮಗು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. And the worst part is, yeah, that is secondary. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಮಗು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ನೋಸ್ ಟು ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತೂ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಇತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಹಿಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. So please don't do the homework. Homework is for the child, not to you. We are not assessing you, we are assessing the child. We are not teaching you, we are teaching the child. We want the child to learn. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು please homework ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. If they have not done the homework for some valid reasons, and see as we progress, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ತಲೆನೋವು, ಜ್ವರ, ಕೈ ನೋವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಲೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಯು, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಲೈ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ
ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಕೈ ನೋವ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇರು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ ತುರಿ ಅಂತ, ಕೈ ನೋವಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ನೋವ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೈ ನೋವಿರಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಬೆಟರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. Okay, so please try it. Unless and until if the child is really not well, tumba aagta illa maguge andre, you can always let us know on Creo or WhatsApp. I would recommend do it on Creo so that the respective teacher will be able to have a look at it. So write a note on Creo telling that ivat magu madilla, but I'll make sure the child completes it by tomorrow. And also, ivat the homework miss madide magu, nalenu by for some reason miss agutte, but make sure the child completes the homework in that week. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಮಗು ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಒಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 4 hours ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಸ್. ನೀವು 20 ಗಂಟೆಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದಿರೋದ್ರೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಲಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Correct? You agree with me, right? So I always tell this. ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಹೀಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ they told one very beautiful statement. ಏನಂದರೆ, we are not service providers here. We are partners with you to shape your child's future. So treat us as your partners, not as service providers. Please. That's a request I have from your end, because nimge, if you don't respect the school, if you don't respect the teachers, obviously the child will never respect the teacher. The child will never take whatever the teacher tells. Okay, so please don't have that thing. If there is something which you don't agree on, ಇದು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ, what I would say is, instead of discussing in front of the child, come and talk to us directly. We are always open. Like, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ we are ready to take it. Okay, whether we accept or not is different, but we'll definitely acknowledge, because that's a concern you have as a parent and we should be listening to it. Fine. So homeworks, it's okay if the child doesn't complete the homework once in a while. As I told, let hand pain not be a reason for skipping the homework. Okay, next. And please don't do your child homework, please. ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಮಗು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ the regular things, so we have celebrations and field trips. Celebrations ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ದಟ್, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಮಗುಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಡೂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅರ್ಥನೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರಾಮ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವತ್ತು, ಲೈಕ್ Jan 22nd. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಥರ್ಮೋಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮನ್ ಐಡಲ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದಮ್ ಚಾಂಟ್ ರಾಮ ಇದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ which the whole country was celebrating, and the child should know what it is, why we are doing it. It might not understand everything, but that memory, I am trying to create memories to the child, so that ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋದಾಗ ಇದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರಬೇಕು ತಲೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಸಚ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದು ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವೂ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೋ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್? ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್? ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ we will not be telling. So illi enantandre, one thing is, many other schools might be doing it as a show off, but illi ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಹಿಡನ್ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಯಿನ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರೋರ್ನ ಭೂತ ಥರ ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇವ್ರ ಥರ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಯಿನ್ ಲೈಕ್ why all the spooky feeling, and that too for why those kids below 6 years. We should not be doing. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರೋ ಮೀನು ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರು. See, this is what preschools are doing today, which should not be happening, alva. They have tender minds. Let us try to keep it very fresh when they come out. That's our intention. So next slide. So we'll have 4 field trips. We will intimate you 1 week ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ that we are taking the child to this place, depending upon the child's availability. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗು. ಈಗ ಜೂನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಜೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಜುಲೈ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಮ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ರೈನಿ ಡೇ ಆರ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡಿ ಡೇ. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರೋ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಂಥ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದೇ ಮೈಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಸೊ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೂನ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಎ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್, ಬಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್. ಅದೊಂದು ಸೀಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಜುಲೈ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ 100% ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. So that time there is no point in taking the remaining children to field trips. See, ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ನಾವೇನೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಫೀಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಗುಗೆ. ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಔಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಫೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So assessments, Credo will be sending us the assessments. Now design ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ question papers. Whatever Credo sends us, that we will be giving it to the child. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೂ. The child should write by itself, whatever it is. Public exam ಥರಾನೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, maximum the teacher would be doing is telling a question na ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಗುಗೆ, but the child should write. Whatever the child writes, that's all. I am very strict on it because that is a check for the teachers also, for the parents also, for the child also, for the school itself. So if we are able to deliver good quality at assessments, that means good quality antandre the child need not have to score A grade in every subject. That is not the thing. What has the child learned annadu namaga artha agbeku. That is all. Assessment is not for the child. Assessment is for the teachers. Assessment is for the parents. Assessment is for the both of us actually. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಶೌಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರೈಸ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ. And once we finish the assessments, after the assessment, usually immediate Saturday parents teachers meeting irutte, wherein you can come and see the assessment papers. Magu ಏನು bardide, you can have a look at it. At the end of the year we'll give you all the assessment papers, so that you have nimgondu, when you go from first assessment to last assessment, you'll understand the growth of the child, heng hogide graph anta. So Creo and PTM. So Creo is a digital diary we maintain to give everything. ನನಗೇನಂದರೆ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸೋದು, ಪೇಪರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರೂಪಿಣಿ, ನಾವು ವೆಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಪೇಪರ್ ಥರ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸಚ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಫೋರ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಡೈರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಪ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಬೀನ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಟೇನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಕ್ರಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎನಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡೋದು, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ in the WhatsApp group. So you need to keep checking both of it. Okay, so don't assume that ನಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೋಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ any general information will be on WhatsApp group. Any specific information regarding your child, what your child did in this class, that class, homework, assessment, whatever, anything is there, that will be in the Creo app. Okay. So, and if at all, if you have any concerns, enadru idre, you can post it on Creo. WhatsApp alli, no parents can message, but you can send a private message to me. I am on that number, and also Kushma, it's the general number, but the teachers can't see. It's only myself and Kushma who has the access to that number. So, any concern you have, you can please message or call. That's fine. That's not an issue. But athara bere enadru iva teacher ge address madbek neevu andre, write a note on Creo that is visible to all the teachers. Next, crankiness. This is very, very, very important thing. So all of you first time parents, 20th May we are starting the school. Yeah. 20th May we are starting the school. First day of the school, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನನ್ನ schedule ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, but very important thing is, ಆವತ್ತು ಆ 1 week the child will be happy because the parents are with the child. The next week will be a mess. So please be prepared, because the child has never come out of the house without you. Right? This is the first ever time the child will be alone, all by itself. Okay, so the child might cry, the child might tell, I will not go to school from tomorrow, all this will come. But don't give, ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಗು ತುಂಬ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ, just leave the child for half an hour. See, all we need to be focusing on is the regularity anta. So if the child can be very regular to school, no matter what, ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, but it should not be like ನಾನು ಹತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಮಗುಗೆ. Okay, so first time, keep this in mind. 1 month, it is a tough time to the school also, it is a tough time to the parents as well. Okay, because the child is not prepared. ನಾನೇನು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, why we did this orientation program ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, we still have almost 10 days time ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. From today, start counseling the child. As to 20th ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Please tell this repeatedly, daily to the child. Especially sleep counseling anta ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, when the child is almost asleep. ಆವಾಗ if you start telling this to the child, it will get into child's subconscious mind and the child will prepare itself. Mentally it is prepared. Agénagutte, that separation whatever is there will be easy comparatively. I am not telling it will be very easy, but comparatively it may be easy. But only thing is, what I request you is, don't get disturbed when the child cries. We know when a child is entering the trauma, and that is when we will ask your help. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು they will be crying but they will be responding to us. That is not a state of panic mode. Okay, if the child is not at all responding to us, andag matrame we need to think of it. That time we will understand the child is entering the trauma state. So that is when we will call you. We will definitely call you when we need your help. But apart from that, if we say the child is normal agide antandre, don't worry. It is okay for the child to cry for some time. That's fine. There's nothing damaging happening to the child. It is very disturbing for us. I understand. I am also a mother. But please don't, if you don't cooperate us during the settlement time, it is impossible to settle the child. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you don't cooperate with us, it is impossible. We can never ever take the child into our arms, I would say. So please cooperate. So these are all the crankiness behavior. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಗು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತಿನ್ನಿಸದೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ. Something, let the child at least drink milk and come to school. Don't send the school empty stomach, because ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ crankiness will be to the power of 2. Okay, so please make sure all these. Okay, so this is how the child settlement will be. So usually we have a schedule of 1 week for the child settlement. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, the first 2 days, first of all, that whole week it will be for 1 hour from 10:30 to 11:30. That will be the school timing for that week alone, that's all. So 10:30ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಗು ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. The first 2 days you are with the child. So wherever the child goes, you also go with the child. Okay, like child should have a feeling that amma is going to be with you, amma or appa, whatever. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ. That is what you should be doing, but encourage the child to leave you and explore things. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ encourage the child to get involved in whatever the toys or whatever is there. Let the child go and explore. Try to push the child, but it should be like ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, you know, like ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಗೆ. What you will do, you will sit at a place, you let the child play. Same thing you have to do here for the first 2 days. The third day what happens? So third day the child should come with a lunch box. This is when we are trying to teach the child to eat. Okay, with other children. Namali already we have L2, L1, L2, L3 settled ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So it will be a combined lunch for all of them, and we want all the children to be seated at the same place with everyone. But the only difference is you are also with the child. But don't feed the child. Let the child eat itself. ಅದು ತಿಂತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. We are there to guide you. But try to encourage the child to eat. ಅಂದರೆ show the child that ನೋಡು ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, you also should eat. Okay, that is the third day. Now the very crucial days are 4th and 5th day, wherein we will tell you not to come inside the play area. So we will put a barricade there. We expect you to wait in the waiting area. Okay, but you will be here, you are not going out, you will be here, but there will be a barricade and we'll try to distract the child. Heng distract ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ first you come, you drop the child in the play area. By that time 3 days ಬಂದಿದೆ already ಮಗು, it is familiar with the environment, so it will obviously get distracted. Once the child gets distracted, ನಮ್ಮ staff ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, they will lead you to the play area, they will tell you when you should go also. Okay, that time you please wait in the waiting area. ಅದಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗುಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟು cry, but if the child is attending, ನಮಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ we are good to go ಅಂತ. No need to worry. If the child ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ we will call you, then you come back. ಬಟ್ ಮಗು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಎಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ this is something for the good of the child we are doing, so we have to go through this hardship. Okay, so ಮಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಅದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ತಲೆಗೆ. ವಿತಿನ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. This is how the settlement process goes, and if you cooperate this for this 1 week, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ then the child will settle. Actually ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಶಾರ್ವಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರು. I think you should be giving your feedback as to how the induction was for you people, because she's a settled child now ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಜನ ಅಮ್ಮಾಯಿಯು ಬಂದ, he is fine now, he seems to be fine. So I thought ನಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ this is how the induction will be, settlement time will be, but up to 1.5 months the child might refuse to come to school some days. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವೆನ್ಎವರ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ there is something the school is asking for the child which it doesn't want to do anta. Basically it is writing. Okay, ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is when the child will say I am not going to school tomorrow because it doesn't like writing. Okay, so please ನಮಗೊಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು. ಆವಾಗ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಸಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಸಮ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ದಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್
keep us posted as to what is the state of the child. If something is not right at home, if you bring the child in that mood to the school, ಆ ಮೂಡ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎದ್ದಿದೆ, put it on a Creo, so that we know that the child's day is bad from the beginning. So we also know how it should be addressed. The teachers maybe will be a little more patient if the child is more cranky and refusing to do what we tell. That is the whole point. Okay, I hope we are all clear on it and on the same page. Yeah. So dress code, hygiene and meal time. Dress code, there is already uniform, and the tailor is going to be here on 5th, 6th and 7th June. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಫೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಟೇಲರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬುಕ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೇಲರ್. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5th, 6th, 7th ಇರ್ತಾರೆ of June 5th, 6th, 7th. We will be sending a notification on the WhatsApp and Creo as well. So avattin dina, when you pick the child, give the measurement to the tailor and go. And she has told that within 1 month we will be getting the uniforms and so that you don't worry. Now the headache is on the school itself, so no need to worry. Only thing is you need to pay the tailor. That's all. The rest all the school will take care. Okay. And set a hygiene routine to the child. So one thing which I actually forgot answer, we are not potty training the children here. We really don't have time for all that. You need to make sure you train the children. At least ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನಂದ್ರೆ put a diaper and send, but insist on child telling that whenever it is time for the child to go, let it at least try expressing it in some way. Need not have to tell. Some signal or something, if it shows, we'll be able to make out. Okay, but we cannot do potty training here. That is something which is ನನಗನ್ಸೋದು ಬೇರೆ. ಸಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ನಾವು potty train ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಮೆಸ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅ ಮೆಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ನೋ potty training, ಬಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಡೈಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್, ಪುಟ್ another pair of ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಡೈಪರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಳಿಸಿರಿ. ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಪಾಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫುಡ್ 11:05ಗೆ ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ us here are vegetarians, so I would prefer a vegetarian lunch. Please don't send any non-veg. So far idella agilla nam school alli, but anyway I am telling. So, and avoid bakery foods, avoid high sugary foods, junk, any lace or chips, please avoid all that. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನೋ ಕೂಸಿ ಹೊಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಡಬ್ಬನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಡಬ್ಬ ತಿನ್ನೋದೇನ. ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 child, ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 42 kids here. So it's really a very big thing for us. So please cooperate with us. Rice items, I don't say completely avoid, but try to avoid. Andre many of you are working parents, so I can't really tell rice avoid madbidi anta. The only thing is if they eat rice, they might feel sleepy. So next problem agata. Our next half of the day will be like dozing off mode alle irtare ಅವರು. Just to avoid that ashte, but it's okay. Like 1 or 2 times in a week it should be fine, but not beyond that. Everyday rice, we don't like it. And please wash napkins daily. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ಸು ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿರೋದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಗಲೀಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 napkins at home, wash alternatively and send. ಸ್ಪೂನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಎಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಮಗು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ಪರ್ಸೇನೆ ಇದು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತೊಳಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. See, it is our child. We should be,
we should have more concern on it. And one more thing, while doing homework, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಗು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ತಿನ್ನಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸು ಬುಕ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. It has happened with us. That is why I am telling. No, let the child do only one thing at a time. If it is eating, let it eat. If it is doing homework, let it do homework. Not two things at a time. Okay, please do it. Even okay, if by some I understand we are all working people, so it is very difficult. But see to that nothing is spilled over the books. Keep. And books are something now. Saraswati get put puja ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, Saraswati puja ದಿನ. It can't get into such low level. So at least book, bag, napkin, none things ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And this is the way of doing it, right? So that is one thing. Next. Yeah, so kindly note these are some very, very important points. So as I told you, no potty training will be done. Send a spare diaper and this one. And please don't put any valuable items because it's really very difficult for us to track what happened. Of course, CCTV footage ide illa anta helalla, but that is a very tedious job. So please, any concerns regarding the child to be addressed, please contact the front desk. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, like teachers really don't have time to chat with you and once between 9:30 and 3 o'clock vargu actually, because after the school is over they have to prepare for the next day. So their schedule is really very tight. You can't even imagine. Bari ABCD ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಅಂತದಿದೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಡಿ ಆ ಥರ. It's like a corporate company actually, to be very frank, because they have their targets to be achieved. They are being constantly assessed. So Credo also will be assessing them every month. So they need to keep their track on. They have to be on the tip, otherwise they're going to lose their job. So our pressure al irtare teachers, so they really don't have time. So if you have any concern, please contact the front desk, and if we feel it's a valid point where the teacher's intervention is required, we will call the teacher. We'll sort the things in your presence only, but whatever thing is there, please come to the front desk and that will be addressed. Okay, any communication to the school should be posted only on Clio or the front desk. Notify the guardian. Okay, in case if you are not able to pick up the child, or in case somebody else is dropping the child, in both the cases our photo na Creole hakput namak kalsi, so that we are well informed, and that should happen at least half an hour before the child pick up or drop. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, after 10 minutes the parent will send this person will come anta. Please, ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಗು ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಝೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ವೆನ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಈ ಮಗುಗೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆ ಜಗಳಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಮಗು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ನೆವರ್ ನೋ ಹೂ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ವಾಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಸಿನ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇವ್ನು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪಾ, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ LKG ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೆ ಮಗು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಗೈ? He seems to be a decent boy only. He's telling ma'am nan nambi anta. We were not ready to listen to, because see, it's a question of security, no? Then we had to call the parent. The parent's phone was not reachable. Half an hour this child has to stay. Okay, to avoid all these confusions, let us be on the same page. Okay, next. An appeal to parents. So as I already told you, we are partners in shaping your child's future, not service providers. So treat Shala team with respect. Avoid talking about the school and child's present, because it will lose the respect it has on the school, and it will not take us seriously. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಮಗು. And very very important thing, ನೀನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀಚರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Please don't make the teachers a scarecrow. There is one scarecrow, I will tell you who it is. But don't take the teacher's name.
ಓಕೆ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕುಷ್ಮಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ವೆನ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಮಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಗು ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರಿಂಗ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ ಮಗು. ಓ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ. ಸೊ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟಾಟ್, it will be lost in those thoughts. Okay, so please don't scare the child with the teacher's name. You can take my name. Okay, you tell Jayashree ma'am ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. I know how to scare them very well. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ PTM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು TV ನೋಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ anyway, but I am actually having its unfortunate thing. ನಾನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ they're all very scared of me. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಟ್, ಮೌತ್ ಶಟ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟು, ಫುಲ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The minute I am in, pin drop silence in the school, which I don't want actually. But it's okay, something good is happening, that's fine. But if you want to scare the child, take my name and scare the child, but not the teachers. It's a request. Okay. And any difference of opinion is there, you are always welcome to share your views directly. It's okay. And I will see to that the teachers won't take it out on the child. And no teacher is like that, to be very frank with you. So ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದ್ರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಗು ಮೇಲೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇರಲ್ಲ. Remember that this is a school run by a parent for other parents. We always appreciate and acknowledge your feedback. Okay, next. And one more thing what I want to know from you is, ದಿನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಗುನ ಕೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ, ನೀನೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಾದರ್ ದನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟಾಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ವಾಟ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಾಯಿತು, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಲಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನಂಗೆ ಅಸ್ಟಾನಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ. I was so shocked. Those kids have absorbed so much. I thought ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ I just wanted to show them ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Every instrument in India is there. I just wanted to show that to the kids, so I took them there. But they have recorded so many other things. ಏನೇನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And parents did send me some videos. I think we should take them. Okay, so this is what is we need. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು that will ನಮಗೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ to do more. So please do send us the videos. Okay, I think we are done with this slide. So fee payments bandre, one thing is very strict, wherein it is not in our control at all. So once time ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಾಗಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೂರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15 days ಬಿಫೋರೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದ ಫೀ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ವರಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ slide. So I would like to know from you all what you would be doing in these situations. How much time do you all spend with your children? No time. Huh? FaceTime.
Partly because of the work.
Okay. How is the sleep cycle of the child? So one thing which I think I forgot is, ivattinda start ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಅ ರೊಟೀನ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಆಸ್ ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಮಗು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ 9:15 ಇರಬೇಕು. 9:15 ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಬೈ 8 o'clock ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 hour ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಟಲ್. ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಗ ಅಂತ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ರಶ್. Okay, give it sufficient. Wake it up at least 7:30 ಗೆ ಎಬ್ಸಿ 1 hour ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಬಾತ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದಟ್ ರೊಟೀನ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ 9:30ಗೆ ಮಗು ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. Okay, so try to have that routine, and once you take the child home, keep the meal, everything ready for the child. ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. 5 o'clock ಎಬ್ಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಕಿಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎನಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. L0 ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ L1, L2 ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, I think we'll skip this slide. Okay, let's have fun at Shala. But I have a few parents who have. Nan ankonde many parents were little skeptical about our school. Adike I requested our existing parents to come and share their experiences with all of us. So I think, ma'am, Moksh parents, please. Sir has been with us for 1 year. Moksh is with us for 1 year, past 1 year. And Moksh, he's nursery leader. Now the child is going to L1, L2.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks, sir. Yeah, anyway, my voice as well. Okay. See, it's nothing. I'm just first of all, I'm interested about curricular activities, which is actually here, which is going, and all specifically with the teachers, staff, everyone are really, really helpful, really kind. Okay, I'll just say first of all, Jayashree ma'am. I'm saying whatever I'm just going to say about Jayashree ma'am is nothing. She is like she takes of every children as her own child. Every children as her own child, and she just actually takes her every child. What is she just said, and if like they were doing about the curricular activities, like they're telling about other things, right? They were actually I appreciate that now they are adding the one more health kit, which is actually very good. Basically is here I'm just saying it like totally different. Why I'm just selecting this particular school is actually it has lots of other activities compared to curriculum. That's what I prefer here, because they have a drama, they have this. They are not money minded. I can say my Jayashree ma'am is not at all a money minded. That's actually very, very, and you don't believe she is actually director, she is anything, she is having lots of other things she is doing it, except this particular school, she is doing other things. So I can say your childs are safe. They can have some more activities, curricular activities, they can able to learn something different compared to other schools. That I can able to assure you because of Jayashree ma'am, and even each and every staff are taking care of each and every child. They will, and one more thing, in a Creo, you will not able to believe it, every time you will see your child, every photos, all child photos, not only one photos. In Creo, you will find every child photos, what are the activities, what they are doing it, what they are playing it, what they actually when they're eating or when they're dieting it, when they're doing any activities, each and every, you will not say, okay, oh my child, that is my child, they will take every one child's and you will see every child's child photos or videos in that particular Creo. And I'm damn sure, because I was also surprised to see my child in every day. It's not one day, it's every day you will see the child's Creo, what is activities they are doing it, what they are doing it, and how they are training them. And you will see the change in the child also. They will know every child name. They'll tell about the teacher's name. My Jyoti ma'am has done this one. Jayashree ma'am has this. Yes, she told that she is a little bit scary. We just tell that. We tell that to our child and Moksh that please eat. Otherwise, we'll tell to Jayashree ma'am. Then they will eat it. That is true. But at the same time, they once my child, he'll say, no, I don't want to go to school. Once he enters into school, once he just steps one step inside the school, he's like very silent. Go inside, very neat and very silent. Once he comes out, that's it, gone case. So in the school, I can see the changes. Really, compared to other school, I can say this actually Shala, what you have just decided is very good. That's the reason we have again now my child is going into second L2. Okay, we are planning for L3 also here till L3, and even we just say we should have
again at school actually later, because the way she thinks, that actually makes me twice. Like the way she thinks about each and every child, how they needs to do, what needs to do. She takes an extra hard work actually. I can say she takes extra hard work for each and every activity. She wants it to make sure that all the childs are involved in, all the childs take part in every activities. And special thanks to every staff, teachers. Every teachers are very interactive. If you have any questions or any particular doubts, please reach out to them. Don't tell the child, no, please don't do this, don't do this. Let them, whatever she told, right? Let them do whatever they want to do. Just leave them. Be friendly, leave them. Don't shout at them. That's it. Don't shout. I'll still shout them, but anger makes us, because of our work, we get angry. That's actually for sure. So that's the reason we don't make our anger to the child. That's what it's just a request. Because I'm doing that. And my wife actually keeps on saying, please don't do that one. Okay. So I'm saying good choice for this particular Shala, and keep it up. I think thanks a lot, and thanks for all the hard work with the staff, teachers and everyone, especially for the Shala for giving this opportunity. And thanks Ma'am Jayashree. I'm really thrilled to say the one which we have at the annual day, and all my parents, the grandfather, everyone they wants to involve, and please involve yourself, because they are taking it. You guys, our parents needs to give cooperation to the school, so that the teachers, the students will see what is actually going on. If we don't participate in anything, then the students will say, the parents for children will say, no, my papa and mama is not taking part. Why should I take part? So please take part. There are activities which is going to come with the parents also. There are a lot of activities and specified. Even you will see in annual day also, which I liked it. I just really appreciate the hard work they have did. I'm again saying no money minded. They have did lots of the hard work. I have seen it in 1 year. So that's what. And thanks everyone. Thanks a lot for this. Thank you.
Sir, Moksh parent. Sir, please come. Please accept a token of flower from her. And thank you for sharing your genuine reviews about our school. Thank you so much. Next we have Danish parent. Sir, can you come and share your opinion about the school? So one thing to add on, he is a parent who rarely turns up to the school. I can always see his mother picking him up and dropping him. Even in fact, I'm seeing him for the first time, to be very honest. So please.
Because my work is like that, so I'll be traveling, so I'll not be able to at home like all the time. So, last year actually what happened, we were searching for school, we stay nearby only. So that time the school was in the other place. So what happened, yeah, so myself and my wife, we came to Jayashree ma'am. So the way she explained, no, it was like unique. So what she told is, it's not like the school, it's a unique school, like it's different from others. So the thing is, she told, at the beginning she told, see, this year your son is going to learn, like he will be able to like say from 1 to 100. She promised like that. So my son now he will be able to like say from 1 to 100 as she told. So that is the unique. So the way they teach, that credo, whatever. See, I will not be able to tell fully.
So you can talk in Tamil, people will understand.
Yes. So ಅವರು 1 to 100 ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇವನು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ 1 to 100 like fluently he'll be able to say. So that we appreciate. And our teaching techniques ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು it's really different. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು like we have elder son also. So he was studying in other school. I mean long before. So ಅವನೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Even after 6 months also he used to cry. But ಇವನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ every day, only initially 1 month only he was struggling. Later on, every day if we like wake him up, he say, yes, I will go to school. He will not cry at all. That is like we have that, we don't have to put more effort like sending him to school. So that and all we see with their planning, the way they handle the children, it is really, really good. Like what the other parent also told, So now he is in L2. So L3 also will finish here. And
you'll not have any problem in getting an admission to any school.
yes, now I already made the full payment also.
I'm telling is, full mainstream school.
No, I'm telling that much confidence I have. Not like I have like last week I made my mind and made the full payment also. So there is nothing to worry also. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗು ಅವರು ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗು ಇವನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 10 no ma'am?
No, it's from 9:30 now.
Now 9:30, but last year it was 10.
It was 9:45 assembly, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. But now for L0 also 9:30. Because see, some schools maybe I don't know. Our 9 or 8:30, 9 o'clock they will start. Ivaru last year 10 o'clock ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಲೈಕ್ ಅವನು ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ 7:15 ಎದ್ದೇಳೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 hour ನಾವು ಅವನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನಾಗವನೇ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. So ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟು ದಟ್, ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ as well as the parents also. So we also get enough time. If you have 2 kids means then one son is going like at 9 o'clock or whatever. So it's very much comfortable for us and child also. And events and all what they are like ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತಾನೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಏನೋ ಫನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಫನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್, ನೋ, ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಅವ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಓಕೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅವ್ನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇ ಯಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ ಆಯಿತು, 1 week ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಯಾವ ಓಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವನೇನು ಅಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ಸೊ
Thank you so much, sir.
ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ನೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್. To be frank, it's not like I am saying something. So all the staff and whatever teachers, ma'ams, whatever are there, no, they're all very much cooperative. That's all I can say.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you so much for giving a genuine review about the school. So usually ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mothers they come to pick up. Mothers ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ with what is happening exactly with the kid, be it daily activities ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, academics ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, any small things. Mothers will be having information, but very surprisingly even our fathers are well informed about what is actually happening at the school.
Based on this information, like since I am not at home, no,
Yes.
I have this much information. If I am at home means I will be having like more and more knowledge about the school and all.
So nice to hear about that,
This
sir.
really means a lot, sir. Like, I'm very, very happy to see you. First thing, but your presence did make a lot of difference. Thank you so much, sir.
That's why I made free myself.
Thank you so much for that, sir.
Thank you.
So we have another set of parents, like Datri Shri parent, if you want to share. I can see Kohil parent as well. Shanvi Lokesh parent, if you want to share something about the school, please, you're most welcome. You can share your reviews. So she is the mother of Kohil, who will be going to UKG right now. So he's completed L2, that is LKG. He's heading towards UKG now. Ma'am, please share.
Our kid is with us from the beginning of the school. So ನಮ್ಮ L0 ಮಗು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅವ್ರ ಅವಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗುನ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರು. She has 2 years of experience with us.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು 2 years ಅವ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಟಚ್ಚೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು, ನಮಗೆ ಇವರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಗ ನಂಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಥರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಯೋಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು ಏನೇ ವಿಷಯವಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಖತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗನಿಗೂ ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಖತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೂ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಸೂಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಗ ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಜ ಅದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಮಗು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೊಂಥರ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಗು ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಮಗು ಜೊತೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ಏನಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಖತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
First of all, ma'am, thank you for admitting your younger kid again into our schooling. Thank you so much. So, adralle gottagutte how much you trust us anta. Thank you so very much. Any other parent? Dhatri parent, please ma'am, come.
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, like 1 year back, we are searching for a school for my child. We were in Chenapatna actually. And suddenly shift ಆದಾಗ we are confused. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ. I was like searching Google. Then ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Just I visited on that day. I got Jyoti ma'am. So she explained me. I was very happy about our explanations and mainly about lab. We were very happy to know even system ide anta we did not find anywhere. So we were impressed with that and we came to join the reason. Adadmele we came to know all curricular activities, everything, and staff tumba supportive agidru. Then she was very happy to come. The first day she cried actually. Then she was very happy, she was comfortable. The method of teaching was really made us also happy. Matte helidru she actually finished her LKG in other school. But when I asked for UKG, ma'am told no, you can't get supported with the system. So I was like thinking, 1 week I took a time to admit for her LKG or UKG, L1 or 2 anta. Then she explained me about that. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್. ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ L2 only. ದೆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಗುಗೆ. L2 ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ L3ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಹರ್. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೋಳು, ದೆನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್. ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಷ್ಮಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಮೇಡ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ನಮಗೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತದು. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವತ್ತು, ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅದೊಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಏಜಲ್ಲೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈವನ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಿಂದಾನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಶೀಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಧಾತ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮಗು L2 ಇಂದ L3ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ LKG to UKG ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್? ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮದರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಗೋಸ್. ಆದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನೇನು ಲಿಂಕಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್, ದೇರ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಇದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ you'll find your kid getting adjusted to the system very easily. Because now illindane day one indane we train kids in such a way they get easily adapted to the schooling. So if preschool agirodina basically we inculcate discipline from the initial stages. As nan meet agiro parents I would have told you how the flow goes anatara. So adrindane from the day one we train kids to adapt to the basic routine of the schools. ಆ ಥರನೇ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎನಿ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಎನಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್? Okay, so then thank you for attending the session. I hope it was very informative and thank you for making it interactive. Most important is that ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್. ಯಾವ ಪೇರೆಂಟು ಯಾವ ಮಗುಗೆ ಯಾವ ದಿನ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ದಿನ ಬಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೇಲರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. Yes, please. Yes.
Why did the rabbit take the ladder to school?
What?
Why did the rabbit take the ladder to school?
Which ladder?
A normal.
A riddle.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a riddle. Can anyone answer this out? Why did a rabbit take a ladder to the school? Is her question. It's a riddle basically. If any one of you can answer this. Yeah, you'll get a goodie. So, do you have answer for her question? To climb, is it? I don't know the answer. She has to answer me because I don't know. So, what is the answer?
Because it wanted to go to high school.
Okay. So basically, rabbit wanted to go to high school, so it took a ladder along with a direct promotion. Preschool in the high school get direct entry. Such a good chance we never had.
They might not go to high school, but they can definitely go to 3rd standard. Pakka. They can jump 2 classes. That's for sure. But thank you so much. ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ 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 ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅವೇ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರಬಲ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೋಲ್ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಎನಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ there is some disturbance in your mind, something ಏನೋ ನೀವು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಗು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು, ಏನೋ ಆಯಿತು, don't call and shout. I would request you to come to the school, talk to us on face, so that we will be able to show you the proof as well. ಈ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನಾವು outright. It might look a little rude, but yes, this is how the system is. So hope you all have a good time with Shala, and let us all make your child's future bright, and let us make them successful. Thank you so much.
Parents, whoever have not collected the fee receipts, it's available. You can come and collect it. Further details regarding the tailor will be notified to you. Dates allot agate, slots allot agate. Please come and give the measurements. Nim mundane let them take the child measurements so that length variation or fitting as per your requirement, they'll do it and give it to you. So we'll announce the dates. Please do come on that date without fail. May 20th is the commencement of the school, so please drop the kids at 10:30. Yeah, you also should join us on that day. So it's all displayed on the board. You can take a picture of the things displayed on the board.